Join me as I make one of my favorite breakfasts: scrambled eggs, mushrooms and onions, and tater tots. Here we go. I'm starting off by sautéing onions and mushrooms. Cooking this on low heat. Spice it up the way you like. I'm using salt, black pepper, and dill. And let it steam a bit longer. I'm going to have some hot dogs later. First, let's get the tater tots into the oven. I've already preheated the oven to the temperature in the directions. Just going to spread a bit of olive oil on the baking sheet and put the tater tots frozen right onto the pan. I like to get these into the middle of the oven, so I just move the rack down. There we go. So the instructions say to cook them for 11 to 15 minutes and turn them halfway through. I'm gonna set the timer to make sure I don't forget. All right, so the mushrooms and onions are looking good. And I'll just keep these in a bowl while I saute the hot dogs in a little olive oil. I'm just going to use the same pan to keep some of those flavors. And let's take a peek and see how the tater tots are doing. So I'll just turn these, but they definitely need more time. let's finish up the hot dogs and get a little color on them. And then we'll set these aside as well. And then check the tater tots. They're close, but not quite hot all the way through yet. Just scrambling the eggs here. I'm going to use the same pan with a little more butter to cook them, and some of the same spices. We're done. Thanks for watching. Let me know what your favorite breakfast is down in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video. And stick around to be part of this community as we cook up delicious meals from around the world. Watch out for our next video, or watch one of our favorites here.